Hey everyone, this is Rashid. In this demonstration, we're going to look into how we can integrate a couple of systems together on the same time, analyzing data in motion before notifying our teams. So we are utilizing Kafka cluster, more specific Confluent on the cloud. And as you can see over here, we have a user topics that has a couple of key values representing the user ID, user region ID, on the same time, the gender. Moving to the second topic, which represent the page viewed, we have a different schema, which represent the user ID, the same time, also the page ID and the timestamp. And now moving to the application KSQL, we have developed a couple of artifacts. First, we have the user, which represent as a table, and we are utilizing a simple SQL statement to select the data that on that table. On the same time, we have a stream, which represent the page view, the original one, which we're gonna do later on, a couple of enrichment over that. And by selecting that, as you can see, we have pretty much the same syntax of that topic as well. From the top, you can understand the schema and the syntax of these artifacts from the stream and the tables. And from the view or the flow, you can see a very nice visualizations of what's really going on behind the scene. And probably you have noticed that we develop a join statement to join the both stream and the table by utilizing the user ID that's available in both artifacts. And then by formulating a new payload or a new event, which will be pushed to a new topic that's called page viewed underscore enriched. And that will include the page ID on the same time the user information, such as the gender and the region. So now let's navigate to the integration platform, and we are utilizing IBM Cloud Pak for integration. More specific, it's represent the integration designer, which part of the Cloud Pak for integration. To provide a very nice low-code, no-code development tools. So first, we start with the Kafka connector, which represent Confluent integration, and then Gmail connector, which represent the SMTP integration. After we establish the flow, we're just gonna hit run. And now let's test out the Gmail connectivity between the flow and the emails. Here we go, we got a couple of emails. Let's look into the first one, which represent the page ID number 70 and a couple of user information. And let's look into another one for testing purposes. We got page 43 and different information. So we're happy with the overall results. Simply what we can do next by is utilizing this integration artifact with our integration team by capitalizing on the automation assets repo. It's simply, you can think about it as a catalog where you can socialize the predefined integration flows or development artifact within your integration team. So we're gonna give it a name such as notify teams with a new lead, and we're gonna give the tag marketing, assuming it will be utilized in marketing purposes, and a simple description for a better user experience. Once everything looks fine, we're just gonna hit share. One of the value proposition of utilizing the automation asset repo, it's the underpin technology that really boosts up the overall integration development by, as you can see over here, developing your integration flow by simply just describing your requirement. And that's where we are utilizing the NLP functionality or natural language processing. So simply we're gonna hit sync new lead with the team. And as you can see, we got a couple of results that pretty much match what we're looking for with a different confidence rate. And from here, we are concluding the demonstration. Thank you very much for your listening. And for more details, follow the description and don't hesitate to reach us out. Take care.